Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Deep within the lush interior forests of southeastern British Columbia, the Giant Cedars Boardwalk offers a rare opportunity to experience an ancient temperate rainforest. The trail is located within Mount Revelstoke National Park, where towering western red cedar and hemlock trees form a dense canopy high above the forest floor. Many of the massive cedar trees here are hundreds of years old, with some reaching heights of more than 50 meters. The forest in this region thrives because of the unique climate created by the surrounding Selkirk Mountains. Moist air moving inland from the Pacific Ocean rises as it encounters the mountains, cooling and releasing heavy precipitation throughout the year. This steady supply of moisture allows a rich rainforest ecosystem to flourish far inland from the coast, supporting moss-covered trees, ferns, and a remarkable diversity of plant life. Long before the area became a national park, Indigenous peoples traveled through the Columbia River Valley and surrounding forests, relying on the land's natural resources for survival. The western red cedar, which dominates this forest, held particular importance. Its wood was strong yet workable, making it useful for tools, structures, and transportation, while its bark could be woven into baskets, mats, and clothing. The cedar tree was often called the tree of life because of its many practical uses. Mount Revelstoke National Park was established in 1914 to protect the natural environment of the region and to preserve the spectacular mountain and forest landscapes surrounding the city of Revelstoke. Over time, trails and boardwalks were developed in certain areas to allow visitors to experience the forest while protecting the delicate soil and plant life beneath the towering trees. The Giant Cedars Boardwalk was designed to guide visitors gently through one of the park's most impressive old-growth stands. Today, the Giant Cedars Boardwalk provides a peaceful way to experience one of the last remaining pockets of ancient inland rainforest in Canada. Walking among these enormous trees offers a glimpse into a forest ecosystem that has been growing undisturbed for centuries.
Thank you very much.
The towering cedars, quiet understory, and cool mountain air create a setting that highlights both the beauty and the ecological importance of protecting old-growth forests for future generations.
Thank you very much.